this video we're gonna do a full movie car build slash refurbishment. We're gonna be adding all these goodies, plus I'm gonna be adding a rumbler system to this. I'm gonna be adding a tough bug. I am going to be taking off all the seats and fully cleaning it out. I'm going to upgrade just about everything in this whole car. I'm gonna repaint it. I'm gonna add decals. I'm gonna get these lights working. I'm gonna add the third brake lights on there. I'm gonna mark it all up, make it look like a real police car, and I'm bringing you guys along with me. My buddy Nick Wilson here is gonna help me build the movie car. So say what's up to him. Lieutenant Nick. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is swap out the hood. We're gonna put a K9 hood on it.
There he is.
I'm gonna have to replace my hood after that criminal jumped and stomped on it. If you guys remember from my last live patrol. Stomped out the hood like this. So it's gonna get swapped. Oh, it is hotter than a biscuit, guys. It's like 100 and something degrees. Here is the K9 hood. Nice. Now I'm gonna remove the extremities, remove this and put the light ones. I'm gonna remove this, all this, because we're gonna sand it down and repaint it. So just remove the 11mm bolt and we pop this right off, just like that. That way when we sand it really good. Okay, now I'm gonna remove the panel so I can remove the mirror. And I will refurbish this while I'm at it. Well, what do you know? The movie car has ballistic panels. This door provides protection against type 1, type 2, type 3. No wonder the doors were so heavy. We gotta put that thing to the test. This panel down here is blue. We gotta switch it to black. Nick here has a, he thinks that he can just pop this off because this actually belongs to a 97. He thinks he can just pop this part off and just throw it in here instead of swapping out the whole thing.
Which is true.
Let's do it.
Oh, wait, you know what? Let's get this on camera.
Uh-huh.
Because I might be wrong, okay? I just now saw
That is different.
that there's
a short
that
difference.
the newer mirror was redesigned. So you see this is missing, this is here.
Yeah.
So yeah, maybe you are right.
Yes.
But with if this mirror was the right year, you would be able to.
Right, well of course, then yeah, that's a given. And it fits.
No, it doesn't.
It does.
It does, but these bolts are in the way.
The red lights. So we're gonna remove the headlights, we're gonna remove the grille, remove the push bumper, and refurbish them all.
It's supposed to be turning left to right like this, but this is what it's doing.
So you think we can fix that?
I think we need a new part.
Okay.
Like you for sure need a new part. It's broken right there.
Oh, where's the part that's broken?
That white piece, see how it's all black and white? That's the piece that you need to replace.
Oh, okay. I see. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move this about 6 inches back so I can set up a Touchmaster laptop setup right here. Okay, how to remove all of this just to take off the screws here, just so I can push it back like that. We made the space. Okay, so turns out that the license plate lights are amber.
No, wait, that might be red.
It's supposed to be red, yeah.
I can't tell.
It's supposed to be red and blue.
We'll see what the other one is.
All right.
But it looks like amber to me.
That's amber for sure. And the other one is amber too. That is so strange.
So this isn't going on the movie car.
No. We need red and blue.
Wah, 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 wah. Yeah, but uh-oh, no.
Uh-oh, I think he may be the funny man in real life.
All right, so I'd love to accept this award.
We're giving this away since it's not red and blue. So say license plate lights. And one lucky winner will receive this in the mail.
I'm first to spam.
We're gonna mount these in the trunk of the movie car, so whenever the loyalists try to get away, Lieutenant Wilson here will deflate their tires. Show them how it's done. So we got the stop sticks mounted. There we go, ready to deploy. Okay guys, so we ran into a few problems. Yesterday, I lost the day 2 filming. What I did is I refurbished the light bar. I water sanded it and clear coated it. Nick Wilson changed out the bulb and rewired everything, and something terrible happened. While we were messing with the wiring back here, something happened to the sound. The lights and everything still work, but the sound will not work no matter what we do. We opened it, we tried to do whatever we could in our power, and we could not get this Delta to work. So what we are gonna do is try to swap it out for this one, and if that doesn't work, we're gonna have to tow this car over to a specialist. If I could at least get this car sanded down and painted, I'll be satisfied with video 1. Let's sand this car. Let's get started right now. Guys, I ran out of time. I did not get a chance to paint it. This sanding took forever. So, next video, I will do the paint, black and white, and I will show you guys the stickers, which should have arrived by then. So video should be out by next Friday or so. Thank you guys for watching. I want to give a special shout out to my sponsors: Robert Mons, Nightcore Lover, RJ Feltz, Savage Gamer 567, Kai Moraz, Farmer Lane. Yeah, he's back. Missed ya, buddy. Luke 27, The Drag King 252. There's a warrant out for his arrest since he is a funny man loyalist. Roblox Police, Bryce Hastings, Paul Hoggle, Howard McLeod, ATX, CVPI, World's Craziest Trucking Pickle, Anson Beatty, Mason Craver, Braden Tostelson, Kyle Morabito, YouTube, Dominic Metler, Central Ohio P71, Steven McCluster, NB Interceptors, Corner, Rilladilla, CVPI, Jaden Lalio, Commander Treaty, Yuri Kuvnov, Sparkzilla, Bryce 1930, Ali N, Aiden Seabold, Me We You, Richard Cohan. Thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. See you guys in the next one very soon. Yes, it's still here.